Hello everyone and greetings to our FSY family 2018 Baguio Mission Session. Kamusta kayo?
We still remember the miracles, the blessings, and all the experiences we had sa ating FSY 2018. Grabe,
it's
been
been 8 years.
8 years.
Akalain mo
Yes.
yun. So 8 years na ang ating
Yes.
FSY and we are so happy at nakita namin ang inyong mga milestones and progress.
Right. So we've seen how they have grown sa kanilang mga callings, having their own families, and what else?
Of course.
Serving sa kanilang mga ward.
And their community. So nakita
Yes.
namin ang inyong growth sa church. Nakita namin ang inyong growth sa inyong mga career in life. So again, continue sa inyong journey and of course sa mga natutunan nyo sa ating FSY.
And always remember our theme in 2018, there is always peace in Christ.
Yes.
So right now we are also very happy because 2 of our children are now serving their missions.
Yes.
Sister Padilla is
Serving
now
in Iloilo Mission.
Yes.
And Elder Padilla is also serving in Cebu East Mission. Nasa MTC ngayon si Elder Padilla at si Sister Padilla kararating po niya sa Iloilo Mission.
and what's more exciting is that we are serving our second mission, like
Yes.
second service mission.
And it is exciting, so sasabihin namin sa mga susunod pa, okay?
Yeah, but maybe just a glimpse, we are actually working for Colega
Yes.
and Go HRE, Geneva Office for Human Rights Education. So we'll let you know
So
more
hopefully
about
we
that.
can visit your area and discuss and talk about our new mission, okay? So again, maraming salamat and happy 8th year anniversary. Bye.
See you everyone.